When beauty meets function, the result is something truly special. That's exactly what the 4L Mini Skincare Fridge with Dimmable LED Mirror delivers. Compact and beautifully designed, this multifunctional fridge is perfect for skincare enthusiasts, busy professionals, and anyone who values freshness on the go. It's designed to store facial serums, creams, and masks at the perfect temperature. But it doesn't stop there. It also keeps drinks, snacks, breast milk, and even pet food cool or warm depending on the need. Whether it's for daily skincare or general use, this mini fridge adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Its sleek white exterior adds a modern touch to any space, while the built-in handle makes it super easy to move from room to room. What truly sets this mini fridge apart is the integrated LED makeup mirror on the front. The mirror features a touch-sensitive display with 3 adjustable brightness settings. Just a gentle tap gives users the perfect lighting for any situation. It's ideal for applying makeup, doing detailed skincare steps, or even checking your look before a video call. The LED light is crisp and soft, never harsh on the eyes. Whether placed on a vanity in the bedroom, a bathroom counter, or an office desk, this fridge turns into a beauty station in seconds. The mirror makes it not just a storage appliance, but a true part of your beauty routine. It's a simple upgrade that offers convenience and elegance every day. Now let's talk about performance. This mini fridge is equipped with a dual-mode thermoelectric system that cools and warms with a flip of a switch. It cools down to 44.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, and warms up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius. That's great news for skincare products with natural ingredients that need preservation, like vitamin C serums or organic creams. It also helps extend the shelf life of perishables like breast milk or fruit snacks. With a 4-liter capacity, this fridge can hold up to 6 standard-size cans. The removable shelf provides flexible storage options for larger bottles, jars, or other odd-shaped items. Whether you're storing a tall toner bottle or stacking your favorite sheet masks, the inside adjusts to fit your needs. Its portability and quiet operation make it even more appealing. The fridge measures only 6.8 by 9.4 by 9.4 inches, making it small enough to fit in tight spaces like dorm rooms, makeup vanities, or office desks. The lightweight design, combined with a soft grip handle, allows for easy carrying from one place to another. And it operates at an ultra-quiet 25 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper. That means it won't disturb your sleep, work, or relaxation time. Plus, it's environmentally friendly. The fridge uses a semiconductor cooling system that is completely Freon-free and CFC-free. It consumes less energy than a laptop, making it a smart and sustainable choice for eco-conscious users. If you're looking for a compact fridge that does more than just chill, the 4-liter mini skincare fridge is a clever and beautiful solution that brings practicality and luxury together.